Okay, then let's get started. The item from last meeting. So Onsi Fakuri hosted a meeting to present the new Ginkgo V3 features. I could not attend. Did anyone of you attend the meeting?
No. No, I was not able as well.
I think someone from
I think Jovan wanted to attend.
Jovan wanted, right? Okay.
Probably he has.
He probably has. Okay, then maybe I would ask him if there are any really important outcomes. For the new features, but yeah. We use it heavily in cats and yeah, maybe Carson has attended a meeting. He sent around invitations. So okay, we can ask him next time if there's anything interesting for us. Next, there was an S3 bucket for the CF smoke tests release, still hosted on VMware in an VMware account, and Carson asked us to migrate. So I started as far as possible. So we did not migrate it to our AWS account, but instead to the GCP account where all the other buckets are hosted. So this would be the new bucket for the Bosch release. This is the CFCLI blob that I uploaded for testing if permissions basically work. And I still need approvals for the pull requests from one of the approvers. So one is a small enhancement of runtime CI. There is a dedicated task for creating final Bosch releases, and this task manages the private YAML file that you need. So for AWS, we have this structure, and now I added another one for GCP where the structure looks a bit different. And yeah, also enhanced the task configuration parameters. And when this is merged in runtime CI, then we can merge the pull request for the Bosch release project. So here we have yeah, also a change of from the AWS credentials to the GCP credentials. And somewhere, yeah, this is the new Bosch release final YAML, so different provider. Just noticed I could have kept bucket name, but now we've renamed it. Yeah, doesn't matter much. Yeah, okay. And when both pull requests are approved, I can update the CF smoke test release pipeline. It's this one, and then we will see if the permissions are all correct. Then the next Bosch release would be stored in the new GCS bucket.
Yep. We don't have an approver in this call, right? So
sadly, no.
Sadly, no.
Carson is usually very quick to approve, but I think they have multiple holidays now. So yeah. Okay, can ask around in our stand-up meeting tomorrow. Okay. FIP stem cell. Yeah, I just missed the foundational infrastructure meeting, which just took place before our meeting. There are still no concrete news in the CFFIPS channel. I think Ruben mentioned that they are now somehow able to build a FIP stem cell, but some packages would be missing. So yeah, still not clear how we can receive the new stem cell.
Yeah, I asked in the TOC meeting, and what Ruben told me is that they take care of this Concourse resource, that it can handle also buckets with credentials where the stem cell is. So
okay, now that would be great.
Yeah, so we should get a new version of this Concourse resource, and yeah, then we need to configure the credentials, and of course, obviously, they have to provide it to us.
Okay, good. That would be cool. Yeah, pipeline is ready, but it runs with the default stem cell. So
yeah, that's best what we can reach at the moment.
That's the best we can do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that's all from my side. No, one more thing. Give me just a second. I'm still trying to get rid of this. Yeah. For our GCP test deployments, you can see that we have external IPs for each VM. So this is default CF deployment on one of the environments, and they all get external IPs. That was to enable outgoing IP traffic when there was no Cloud NAT gateway. So this feature is actually not needed anymore. And in summer, we have updated Bubble so that it automatically creates a NAT gateway for GCP deployments. And I would try to update the GCP default cloud config so that it does not use external IP addresses. Doing this manually almost worked, except one smoke test failed for unknown reasons. So when I found out why and how we can fix this, I would then change this in Bubble. So it is, let me see if I find this client. No. Cloud config, GCP, oops, generator. Yeah, here somewhere we have this ephemeral external IP setting, and it's still true, and this is simply not necessary. If there are often external IPs left behind, they incur additional cost. Yeah. Good. So that would be all from my side. Any other business?
No, it's not.
Okay. Good. That's perfectly fine. Then we are done for today. Thanks for attending, and see you again soon.
See you tomorrow. Bye. Have a nice evening.